Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make these origami claws or finger blades. This model is created by my friend Stefan. He also has a YouTube channel called Torself. I left the link in the description and also in the cards up here. Anyway, this model is actually very easy. For each blade, for each finger, you'll need a paper square. In my case, I'm going to start with 20 by 20 centimeters, which is about 8 by 8 inches. Our first step is to fold in half along both diagonals, making something like an X. So, first, let's bring one corner to the other, and make a crease. Now undo, and repeat on the opposite direction. Right, we have our X. Let's rotate in this position. And now we need to bring to the middle the bottom and top corner. Let's bring the bottom side first. Now the top side. And that's it. Now we are going to repeat basically the same step. So again, we need to bring the bottom side to the middle first. And then the top side to the middle as well. Let's repeat this step a third time. So again, bottom side to the middle. And then the top side. Now we need to unfold only the last step, like this. And on the right side, we need to mark an X here. To do that, we need to take the top side or half of the top edge and bring it to the middle, like this. Then make a diagonal crease. And unfold. Now do the opposite, just bring the paper up. Now undo. And we have the small X. Let's turn the paper over and fold the same X in half. So bring the right side to the left, aligning everything perfectly, and reinforce. Now unfold, turn it over again. Now using the marks we just made, we need to close the paper. You just need to bring the right side to the left, and the paper will automatically close. Now, holding the paper in this position, in the larger side, we need to fold both sides to the middle using these two lines. So first the right, like this. Then the left. And in the end, we just need to push the paper back and reinforce the bottom side. Now here on the smaller side, we need to fold the corner up. Now on the top, we need to bring the small diagonal edges to the middle, folding these two lines. Let's fold the right side first. Then the left. Now unfold only the left diagonal and open the left side. And now fold the right side inside this pocket on the left. Close the left side again. Let's fix it a little bit, if necessary. And on the top, using the marks we made before, we can reverse this extra paper by pushing it inside. Now on the other side, we need to create some kind of a ring, or I don't know what's called, like a cylinder to put your finger, a socket maybe. Anyway, we need to fold these two vertical lines. To do that, we need to bring the right side to the left first. On the other side, do the same. This is not an exact fold, you can make a variation if you want, it depends on the size of your finger. Once done, you just need to fit one side inside the other, like this. Once done, we have to open it up. Now you can put your finger inside and adjust whatever is necessary. And we have the first claw, the first finger blade. Now we can make 3 more, or as many as you want. And that's the result. This was not that hard to do, and it has an amazing result. I hope you liked this video. If so, remember to click like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.